Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make egg roll in a bowl. It's easy, fast, and delicious, and that checks all the boxes for me. So let's get down to the griddle and make this happen. Alright guys, we're out here at the griddle getting warmed up, and pretty soon we'll put our ingredients on. Alright, now that the griddle's all nice and hot, we're going to go ahead and put down some oil. Oop, a lot of oil. There we go. Down, we can get our ground pork on. You can also use ground turkey. Sometimes I do a combination, but I'm gonna get this all chopped up. Let that go for just a minute. All right, now we're gonna hit this with a little bit of salt and pepper. Go ahead and give this a little bit of sesame oil. I'm going to break this up real good so there's no big chunks. Let that go for another minute. Now that we've cooked all the pink out of the meat, we're going to go ahead and add some onions. Go ahead and mix them in. I'll let those cook for a minute, get translucent. Now would also be a good time to throw in our carrots. Alright, let that go for a couple minutes and check back. While that's cooking, I'm going to throw on some of these mini wontons, chicken and vegetable dumplings, straight out of the freezer. We're going to use this and a little bit of water to steam them. Let those go for a couple minutes. Move the rest of our food over here a little bit. Now we have our ginger and our garlic. Put that down. Add a little bit of oil. Mix that around until it becomes fragrant. About 30, 45 seconds. You'll smell it. Just don't want to let it burn. Alright. Put that on your meat and your veggies. Stir it up real good. Get it all incorporated. Make sure these aren't sticking. A little more oil underneath those. Go ahead and steam them again. All right. Now we will add in our cabbage, which is this angel hair coleslaw. Works real good. You don't have to chop up your own, but you can. This works just as good. Add a little bit of oil to this. Mix it all in. We just want this to get wilted, but not too soggy. Makes a little bit of a mess, but what doesn't, right? Let that go for another couple minutes. Flip these bad boys over. Get these with a little bit more steam. Cabbage is starting to wilt. Alright, this is our sesame oil, soy sauce, a couple tablespoons of hoisin sauce, along with our rice vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and pour that on, mix it all in. Smells fantastic. Go ahead and check on these guys. Ooh, steamy. A little bit of sticking. Getting a little oiled up. All right, this is done. Go ahead and transfer this off into our pan to keep warm. All right, now we're going to focus on, now we can focus on finishing up these dumplings. Give a little bit of crunchiness to them. Some of them are falling apart, that's okay. All right, these are looking good, so we're going to go ahead and transfer them off to our pan. Keep them warm. There we go. There we go. All right, guys, there you go. Quick and easy. I've made this a handful of times and everybody loves it. Just one thing to note is that after you cook anything with vinegar or rice wine vinegar, anything like that, you just want to clean the griddle immediately. That vinegar will start eating up your seasoning because it's so acidic, so be sure to do that. But let's go inside and give this a try, shall we? All right, guys, let's give this a try, see how it turned out. Delicious. It's got a real good flavor to it. You can definitely taste the sesame oil. Soy sauce gives it a nice flavor. Got that saltiness going on. The hoisin sauce gives that nice rich flavor. It's really good. I could eat it all the time. Well, there you have it, guys. It's delicious, quick, easy, cheap. Give this a try. Let your family try it. Make it for a get-together. Makes a good side. Like I said, it's quick to put together, and everybody's gonna love it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, do all the things. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.